Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, we are going to do a patch using Lowe's sheet, the Lowe's plastic sheeting. So if that is something you're interested in, remember to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So if that is something you're interested in, do keep on watching. Okay, so these are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need basting adhesive, you're going to need a mini press, you're going to need plastic sheeting, you're going to need heat and bond light, you're going to need tear away stabilizer, also a piece of cutaway stabilizer. You're going to need your felt. This is what I'm using to make this patch. And you're going to need your hoop. I already went ahead and hooped the stabilizer, the tear away to the plastic. All right, so and what I went ahead and I did also, I fused the heat and bond light onto the piece of twill. All right, you can also use felt. All right, so let's get started with this video. All right guys, so I'm gonna put on this is the design right here, and I'm gonna put on my hoop. Okay guys, so everything is set. I put on my stabilizer and my plastic sheeting, and I'm going to now click on this button right here. Oh, it says knee it down. So I'm gonna press on this button. I'm gonna press embroider. It's gonna take me 38 minutes. So I'm just gonna put down my felt and so I'm gonna put down I keep saying felt, but it's twill. I'm gonna put down my twill and my stabilizer. See? Okay, it should have, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna modify the file so that it shows the tack down stitch. All right, but it's okay. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to make that first stitch, and I'm going to stop it and then cut it out. Okay, so I'm going to stop it. I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to cut it out. Alright guys, you may cannot see, but it made a stitch around it. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to cut the stabilizer and also the piece of fabric right here. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I cut around the stitch. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back on, and I may have to use a new bobbin soon, but let's see how far this one takes me. All right, so it's gonna do the inside part, and this is gonna take a minute. It's just gonna do the fill area. All right, and then the satin border. So I'm gonna leave it for it to run, and then we'll come back and see how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take it off. This is what it looks like so far. It looks really beautiful. Into the thread because I want a different color at the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the satin border. Alright, so what I'm doing, I skipped the first part because I want to stitch the edition in the same color as the border. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna move back to the limited and change the thread. Alright, but this is what it looks like. It's coming on really good, no thread breaks. So we are good. Okay guys, this is the final result. Oh my god, it came out so nice. Oh, it did. See that? All you have to do is push that baby out. See that? There you go. See? Oh, it did come out really, really, really nice. All I need to do is just trim it up, get off all those little threads. Yeah, this looks good. I designed this in Silhouette Studios Business. I keep saying Silhouette Studios Business Edition. I meant in Brilliance. Oh, I'm a designer in all these softwares, so I mix them up all the time. But this is the final result. This is what the back looks like. All you need to do is to run your lighter over it, right? So that it takes off excess threads. Remember, do not burn your patch, okay? You've come this far not to mess up, okay? Just run your lighter, don't stay at one spot too long. All right, but this is the final result. It is quite sturdy. If you want it less sturdy, you could avoid using the tearaway stabilizer. And this is the final result, guys. All this needs is some Heat and Bond Ultra or whatever you use, adhesive you use, and this is the final result. If you're interested in learning how to create this for yourself, I do have a school community that it is posted there that you could learn embroidery. And if you're a rhinestone designer, I'm inviting you also to my school community, because I teach rhinestone designing and I also teach embroidery designing over there. So until we meet again, I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.